Hey everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're all doing really well. In today's video, I'm going to fully reset, restock and prep my house. I have been unwell for a week now and I feel like the house has really just fallen behind, and I'm going to just take today to catch up with myself and just start from scratch and reset everything. Still you go through walls. So the first thing I'm going to do is just a really quick surface wipe in the kitchen. This is not a really dedicated cleaning day, but I am going to do just little bits of surface cleaning here and there because it just makes me feel so much better, and cleaning the surfaces in the kitchen makes me feel instantly so much better and like the house is so much more in order. So I'm just using a simple Fabulosa spray here with a microfiber cloth, and I'm just going to go over the surfaces and give them all a wipe. We got tangled up, but in the aftermath of us, I don't regret that much, I don't regret that. Sunny side up, try to keep it cool, bending all the rules, bending all the rules. It gets colder, but I hate being cool, I can't be cruel to you. Even if you got something left to lose, even if there is something left for you to prove, I got bad taste of hanging around you. Bad. I'm so sorry about the bitter end. I'm so sorry if I misbehave. In the middle we got tangled up, but in the aftermath of us, I don't regret that much, I don't regret. Next up, I want to empty all the bins in the house. I'm going to start with the kitchen bin here. I love my kitchen bin. If you follow me on Instagram, you'll know that I have a real love affair with this bin. And every time I empty it, I make sure to just give it a real quick surface wipe as well, because it just keeps it smelling and looking really great and fresh. I'm just going to wipe around the inside of the bin and then across the lid and the rim around the top as well, just making sure that any food splatters or anything have been dealt with. In the aftermath of us, I'm so sorry about the bitter end. I'm so sorry if I misbehave, In the middle we got tangled up, but in the aftermath of us, I don't regret that much, don't regret that. Ooh. As I'm on a reset day, I want to do all the bins in the house as well. So I'm going to get a fresh bin liner. I'm going to go around to all of the little waste paper bins in the whole house, and I'm going to empty all of them. We have a small bin in every bathroom, and then we have one in my dressing room as well. So I'm going to go around and empty all of them. I'm going out with you tonight. Are you close to here? I'm feeling down, I don't know why. No, it's so surreal. Think I want you here. Next up, I just want to quickly clean the toilets. Similar to what I was saying about the surfaces in the kitchen, if I can quickly clean the toilets, I feel so much better about the house in general. And I have a lot of boys in my house and the toilets need cleaning frequently. So I'm just going to use some flash cleaning wipes to go around all the surfaces and the floors around the toilet as well. And then I'm going to put some toilet gel down each of the toilets and use a wire toilet brush to give them a really good scrub as well. And then to finish, I've got some Zaflora disinfectant spray, and I'm just going to go over all the surfaces with this as well, making sure that they are really, really clean, safe, that there's no hidden germs on there, and also this smells incredible too. I'm going to repeat this process with all of the toilets in my house, so I've got 4 toilets to do all together, but I will just show you 2 of them. So that one was the downstairs toilet, and then this one is the upstairs, a family bathroom as well. Like I said, I'm literally just going to repeat the process 4 times over. Though I want your touch, baby, I so high, stay. I don't mind a little crazy, but baby, I so high, stay. Next thing I'm going to do is a little mini restock in the pantry. Again, it's one of those things that makes me feel so much better. I popped to the shops before filming this and I got some essential bits. These are Cooper, who is my 20-month-old. These are his favourite snacks, so I'm just going to pop these in his little snack box. Also stocked up on coffees and teas and crisps and fruit and all sorts, so I'm just going to put all the essentials in the right places and then pop them back in the pantry. Next thing I want to do is give the sofas a little refresh. This is a really good way for me to feel a lot better about the house and like I've really reset the house, is if I pay some attention to the sofas. So I'm just going to tidy up and get all the stuff off there first. I was working on this sofa last night, so I've got my computer on there and a throw and all sorts, so I'm just going to tidy that up first. Then I'm just going to remove the cushions and I'm going to puff up the sofa cushions on the bottom because they are feather, so they need a bit of like a beating every now and then to make them nice and plump. And then I will pop the sofa cushions back on and go over all of the sofas with my favourite Fabulosa fabric spray.
I can't escape you. I need to believe it was right letting you go, 'cause you are like a ghost in my mind. I wanna escape you, but I do not believe it was right letting you go. I can't stand the thought of losing you. Tell me, do you think of me too?
Next thing on the list is I want to change all the bedding upstairs, starting in the master bedroom, starting in my bedroom. I'm going to remove all of the throws and cushions from the top and I'm just going to change the bedding, and I will put on fresh bedding, but I'm going to do that later today. I'm a bit pressed for time, so I am going to strip my bed, but I will remake the bed later tonight, probably when the boys are asleep. But I will also go into the boys' bedrooms, strip their beddings and put fresh bedding on there as well.
Escape you like a movie on repeat. The scenes just go on. I'm hearing your voice in my dreams. I wanna escape you. I really think I made a big mistake. I want you to know I can't stand the thought of losing you. Tell me, do you think of me too? 'Cause every song just reminds me of you and it kills me. No, it was a mistake letting you go. 'Cause every song just reminds me of you and it breaks my heart. You're still here though we're apart. Don't tell me.
While I'm in Cooper's room, I'm just going to have a bit of a tidy up. Leo's room was actually really neat and tidy because I managed to give that a bit of a clean a few days ago when I was feeling up to it, but Cooper's is a bit of a mess, so I'm just going to spend 2 minutes just tidying up a little bit in here.
Don't tell me it's over, 'cause every song just reminds me of you and it kills.
The next thing I want to do is hoover the carpets upstairs. Nothing makes me feel like the house has been reset than fresh hoover lines on my carpet. I just love them. So I'm going to go over all of the carpets upstairs with the hoover, making sure they're nice and clean and giving those fresh hoover lines.
Just reminds me of you and it breaks my heart. You're still here though we're apart.
I'm also going to spray the carpets with the same fabric spray that you saw me use downstairs on the sofas. And the next thing I'm going to do is prep for dinner. This is something that I didn't do at all last week because I felt so rubbish, and it feels so good to be back into it. I'm just going to make a simple bolognese for the boys and me to have tonight, but I'm making this in the morning, then I'm going to pop it in the slow cooker, let it just keep warm all day, and it's just such a good feeling to know that dinner is ready and waiting for you later that evening. Leo loves chorizo sausage. in his bolognese. If you're wondering why I'm putting it in ours, that's just something that I pop in for him because he loves it. But yeah, I'm just going to cook all of the bolognese sauce. I'm going to pop it in the slow cooker and just let that bubble away all day, making the house smell amazing and making me feel very productive, which is a change after last week.
I know you're hurting. I didn't mean to start a war, I'm still learning how to talk about my feelings. You know it is hard sometimes. Maybe I just need some time, some space to figure out how to give my all to you. If you give me one more try, I might just
So there you go, I have reset, restocked and prepped the house. Thank you so much for watching my latest video with me, guys. I'm going to light the candles now because that is always how I end my videos. Don't forget to subscribe before you go, it would mean so much to me, and I will see you lovely people in my next video.
Always keep my guard up and I'm so